make this ice cream. I got it from my school. I didn't get two of these, but I got one of these, and I got this one and another one. The another one was a big mistake, so I hope this one will be good. Sakura! Chika! We are sisters! Let's do this now. Whoa, look. What is this? Not clay, okay? Sprinkles for the ice cream. The cup for the ice cream. I think we put these in and like ice cream. And look at this. What is this? It looks squishy. And I think this is chocolate. Okay, so this clay first. We are going to open this clay. Ooh, this is strong. But it's really squishy. No, not squishy. Slimy? I don't know. Got this, and I think we have to make it a little strong. So let's make this circle. This is hard, but it's fun. You want to do this too, Chika? Yeah. Okay. So we have to do this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Okay. Great, Chika. Stop. We can't make it too far. Okay. Okay, but I think we have to make it circle. Wait a minute. I knew it, look. Okay, so we did this, and we're going to make these small stuffs so we can do like this. Okay? So, you do this and make it like small like these. Okay. And I'll do. This is too big. Hold on.
I think it's enough.
Yes. This is enough. So we have this and put like this. And put these like over here in like spots, okay? So let's do this. Okay. Plop. Plop, plop, plop. No. Uh-oh. Wait 1 second. Sorry. Like here. It's hard. This is the hardest thing. Okay, Chika, let's do this. Well, okay, so we did it, and I think we did too much.
Was it this one?
Yeah, well, I think we need to have this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's put it in. Whoa, I think we did good. But look how much this is. But does it look like yummy? Okay.
Okay, use it like this.
Yes. First, we have to make like this and okay. So let's flip it. We did it. So next, we're going to be like here, right? Down left.
So I really don't think you need it. So
Why?
it's like ice cream already. So don't do that.
Fine. If you say so.
Okay.
Okay. So look at these so squishy orange sponges. We're going to put this in.
Try it out.
Huh? Shut up.
No, you just dry it out.
Try it out.
Try it out.
Like this?
Yeah. And leave it. Leave it like that.
Okay. So what next?
That's it.
Really?
That's pretty much. Yeah.
Can we? I want to do sprinkles.
Yeah, you can put sprinkle later.
Okay.
Well,
Are we gonna put like this?
Oh, you want to have the brown one too?
Yeah. So we want the brown one too, right?
Okay.
Chica?
Just put the brown one here.
Okay. I'm finished? No. I don't know, but we should still make it. Hey! Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
We'll see. I think we did a big stuff. Sprinkled?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to put this sponge.
Mm-hmm.
I think it fits.
Yeah.
What the heck? What the heck?
I think this is fine.
Wait.
This is fine.
Look!
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh.
Put the rest of the sponges.
No!
Like
Yes.
this.
And I think we're going to put.
It's gonna be. This is fine.
I want to do it. Me too.
Okay.
Let me see. All of it, Chica. Great, Chica. Okay, I'm going to do this now. Okay, I think this is enough. So
Mm-hmm.
first we'll put this in.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
And I think we have to use this glue again.
Mm-hmm.
I think we should do it here.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Phew. Okay. Done. Oh, yeah.
Pretty good.
Okay. So, last but not least, sprinkles! I want to do sprinkles! Of course, everybody wants to do sprinkles. Who doesn't? So, bring the water with glue. And we have sprinkles, right? And brush it. And I think we're going to use...
We brush.
yeah,
We
but...
do like this
yeah,
first.
first. Okay, so...
And
Chica?
with chicken.
Yeah,
Okay.
she can do it too. But it's clear, so it's going to be a little too hard. I'm hungry. Me too. When I see this, I get hungrier and hungrier because it's so nice. Okay, I think we're done. So, Chica, do you want to put some? No. Look! Does that look nice, isn't it? Doesn't it look nice? Don't you think this sparkle is kind of weird? We have a
You finished?
We're not done yet. We're going to make this ice cream.
So you have to put the
Ice
sticker.
cream. Yeah, we have to make a sticker. I think we have to do it here. Ta-da! Does it look like yummy? We didn't do all of them by ourselves, but I guess our dad helped us a little, but I was scared that maybe we couldn't make it like last time. But when I made it, I feel really good. Chika, how do you feel? Good. Okay, so bye. Bye. don't forget to like and subscribe.